Telugu. I think Ravi will be the first one. Don't tell anyone where I'm going, okay? No, for further. Can't see, I'm deaf.
Hello everyone. Hi.
Hi guys, hello. So a lot of people are joining in. Yes, thank you so much for all the love.
Our first live on Yours Weekly Drops official account is here.
Finally, it took 2 months.
But we did it.
We did this. You guys did this for us.
Yes,
So thank
thank
you
you.
so much. Do we have 50 now?
Yeah. Nice.
I am still recovering.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm a little deaf because my sinus has reached my ear. So yeah, so can't hear anything. Birthday month!
But Tezo has been so amazing this whole month. Like, irrespective of her illness, she's been so passionate. I really want to tell her a big thank you and your amazing take. Irrespective of everything, you really have done so much
Thank
in
you.
Yours Weekly, and it means a lot to have such amazing passion.
Thank
and
you.
I really love and respect you for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Save this life, don't worry,
Yeah.
it'll be saved.
Birthday month,
Yeah, we are very, very excited because this drop is crazy.
Can you all guess the birthdays though?
Yeah,
we
people
had
guess.
some inquiries.
I think, yeah, people are very confused about yours.
Okay. Do we have guesses out there? Let's start with Neeti first. I think that's the easy one. Can you tell us when
Why was
Neeti's
this
birthday? Okay, the hint is that it's in November.
And it's just few days to go. Just few days. Neeti,
Someone said it. Who's that? SGR.
She said. I can't
Yeah, she
read.
said 8th November.
Yes.
Yes, good one. So we have Neeti's birthday on 8th November. And can anyone guess when's my birthday? Hint again, it's in November and it's towards the end of November. Neeti's is 8th. Yes, you're right, Niksha. 8th November.
I'm
Gupta
helping them.
Rashmi
Can
is
I
also
help?
right. Okay, help. Go for it.
First digit is
2.
first digit is 2.
And it's in the end of November. We've made it very, very easy for you all. 29th November. Yes, you're right. Yay! Good guess.
She's not a
27th,
Scorpio.
29th. Yeah, I'm a Saggy. Just Saggy.
Just.
Became a Saggy.
Just. Okay, I think we have a lot of people. Just give me a second. Yeah. Oh my God, we have a lot of people.
Yay!
So
Yes, 29th.
let's draw.
Yes, let's draw.
Let's do this.
Can you all guess? We make you all guess all the time. It's fun for us. Can you guess what the next drop is? Even I'm a Sachi. Very good, very good. Can you guess the drop? Yes, 7 days to go for Tay's birthday. Thank you so much. Can we get to the drop?
Get to the draw.
Ring. Okay, you got 1 out of the 4 things correct. We are dropping a really
Ring.
cool collection on
Yeah.
rings.
Yeah. Oh, why didn't I wear more rings?
Where? You can wear now. Should we show them our ring collection?
Okay, let's do that.
So where you wear first.
Guys, I've lost too much weight. Nothing fits me now.
So, very cute. We have really, really cute rings for y'all. Y'all have been asking. Y'all have been asking us for rings since we dropped our first earring collection and we did remember it. So we did get to y'all really cute rings. Show your Tezos.
My rings.
Very cute.
Guys, my hand. Sorry.
Oh,
Not
sorry.
done.
Very
I'll be birthday ready soon.
We also have this in the pink collection.
We have very cute rings. ऐसा लगता है कि we are in a market and we are excited.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've already dropped our ring PDF. You all can have a look on Yours Weekly drop. It's already dropped.
And we also have extended our team, so we are very, very proud of ourselves.
Yes.
We're just 2 months and we have people working for us, so we are super excited. And it's amazing that we are doing so well. So all
Seriously,
thanks to all of
thanks.
you. क्योंकि आपकी वजह से हम हैं एंड हमारा बिजनेस इतना अच्छा कर रहा है. A lot of people take months and years to get where we got in just one drop. So thank you all
Thank
so
you.
much.
Seriously,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
heartfelt. So that's enough of rings. Can anyone guess what the next collection is?
Yeah. First, let's give them 2
They
minutes.
did guess.
They did. Because you can see it.
Save this light, saved.
We will save it. Don't worry. This time it will be saved. Bracelets are so beautiful. Bracelets. Yes! So your wish is our command. So your next thing was please get rings and bracelets. So here we are with the best of best bracelets, and you're not going to get them anywhere.
I love this one.
This is
so
like my
cute.
favorite. Guys, we don't buy our own products. So if you don't want to shop for yourself, you can always shop for us. Please. I love this one. And we do also have customers who actually buy for us.
Yeah, they're the sweet.
Yeah, they're the
Very
sweetest. So thank you for everyone who buys for.
Yes, thank you, thank you. We also have some bracelets. We have this really cute one, which is
And-
Love Clock.
Yes, so our names are to die for. ये नाम आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिलने वाला. Any Instagram page or anything. We've already started
There is
getting
order.
inquiries. Yes, that is so cool.
Thank you. So we'll show you the remaining of our bracelets as well. We have this, which is a very cute evil eye one.
I like the way you show it. Please go ahead.
cute.
I'm very
Sure.
tiny and I can't move.
Yeah, I'm really reaching here. This is so cute. Look at the clock. I honestly, not exaggerating, haven't seen anything this cute that has a clock on your bracelet. This is a really nice one. We also have this. I just showed you all the evil eye one.
Oh,
It's
sorry.
very cute.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. This one as well. Let us know your favorites. I'm happy if you guys could comment and let us know which ones you all really liked from all of this. Okay, this is too cute. This is too cute. See this one, this one. This is nice.
And we have many more, guys. We can't show everything on the live because it gets too much.
Yeah.
This I can show
Hey,
you.
this one's very nice. Yeah.
This is so cute, the sunflower. Also
collection.
because, there you go.
Yeah.
Because you know how much I love the beaches, how much I love the ocean. So a lot is inspired by that. Actually, you like it, no?
Yeah.
You're a mountain
But I'm a
girl.
mountain person.
She's a mountain girl.
I
I'm
have
a
to choose that.
yeah. So we are. So we have kept that thought in mind and got a lot of beachy and mountainy things, but more of beachy. Sorry.
So this is really cute. It's like a set of 4 bracelets that you get together, and we priced it really well because we want
Somebody
all
asked
of
me
you
what
to
is the
shop.
price of Evil Eye bracelet. Please see
Yeah.
our post that we've just made, and it's all there.
This is very cute. It's a very pearly finish. I really like this one. So we have really cute designs all already on.
This is so pretty. This has teacups on it. It is so sweet.
This is a very cute one. It's Taylor's favorite.
Guys, second choice. Please.
Yeah.
Please.
It's actually a beautiful one.
It's a very pretty one.
And this pretty and pink. This
Yeah.
is also very cute. This is on
Did
a
we show
lighter
this?
note.
So we also have this one. How do you show it?
Are you
तो
showing it well?
मेरे हाथ में इतने काटा पिटी लाइन है क्या
Nice, nice. It's looking very nice.
No, you
No.
fair hand.
And we both are. Yeah. See, cute. We have this. And now, what's
Let's
next?
come to our favorite. I want to place. We are getting so many orders. It's amazing. So thank you all so much. And also, if you order, you're going to get a lot of personalized things. So please do
Yes.
order.
It's the birthday month.
You
This is
are
the
you
time.
just seen the bracelets? Wait till you see.
Guess it.
It is so pretty.
I want to place order. Please place, Nisha.
Please.
place.
And place for us also.
Yes, give us 2 minutes to reply the question mark people on WhatsApp. We are currently here. So, God.
Oh yeah, man. But why should I reply? I think he's so excited. So we, like I said, we've taken people on board. So those people are very involved in watching the live. So if you're watching it, please reply to the WhatsApp. I don't think anyone has lives like this.
Yeah. So, what's our next drop?
I think we can answer a
Collection.
few questions. All of you, I
Sure.
think you can ask us few questions. Then we'll come to
Then
the
ask
last
you.
segment.
What are you planning for a vacation for your birthday?
You'll come to know just in few days.
Eee.
But it's going to be amazing.
7 days left for Tay's birthday. That's correct. Only 7 days left. Hi, Aisha.
Nice neck piece. This is the
Thank
key to my heart. You want the key to my heart, you need to buy this.
Can we please get her something for the birthday? What is that word?
Can you get tailor-made stories
Oh.
for your birthday? The whole day goes on me recording.
Yeah, you need a deserved like a chill-free camera.
Yeah, I
for
think
your
I
birthday.
deserve one. I have only been falling sick. I really
Yeah.
need. I am still sick, but I really just need to chill and enjoy myself with my
100%.
people. Yeah.
100%.
Are you following Big Boss? Yes.
How to get it delivered for you and we want a gift. How sweet.
So you
Nisha.
place the order. I will take it. I'll just take it.
Very happily.
You don't have to give an address. I will take
When
it. Just
will
like for
COD
Niti or
option
Vinti.
be
That's it.
available? So hey Sia, that's a really nice question. COD option is available if you're living in Mumbai currently, as
Or
Niti
Delhi.
just shared, or Delhi.
Order.
As Niti just shared, we're a small team of 2, now 3 people. We'll get there slowly, but Mumbai, Delhi, we are already ready for you.
Yeah. Who's your favorite contestant? Praneet is my favorite, and he's got out. I guess he's not well. I just hope he doesn't have typhoid or dengue. That's what. Yeah. Huh? Is she's whispering and she knows I'm deaf.
Is it this year that you're
That
going
year.
here? Which BB
Praneet and
contestants-
Gaurav. I'm all for Big Boss.
Can we get to know where Tay is celebrating her birthday?
No!
In few days.
In few days. Love you, Neet. That's
Thank
my
you for
sister. I love
Hi,
you
Aditi. Hello. Thank you so much for showering so much love
Yeah.
on our collection. You've been so amazing. We love you so much.
Yeah.
Every time your WhatsApp pings, we get very, very excited. Thank you, Aditi.
too. My family shops a lot.
They're the best. Aditi is hey, people are others also excited. Aditi
Yeah. These people are always excited.
Okay, we want better questions.
When will you join television? When television gives me a great opportunity, I will join.
Yeah, you will get it next time.
Abhishek and Ashnoor.
Huh? No.
I know Ashnoor.
Okay.
Love you more.
Love you more.
Aditi.
Aditi is so cute.
By the way, Aditi and Minty have met in the past when I was not there.
Yeah, Aditi and we go way back. Same building connection, and it's so amazing that how karma brings you back to the same people. I love it. Okay, continue.
Delivery, yes, is available all over India, even worldwide. We ship everywhere, internationally and domestic.
Yes, Uttarakhand, we are there for you. Please order.
Yes,
Definitely.
even Odisha, someone wrote. We have shipped over there also.
Okay, tell your favorite product from the dot. Nisha is asking. Good question. Here you go.
So when we're talking about the drop, let's I think drop our favorite collection.
Okay.
Okay, so we will let you know which is our favorite because we're dropping and most of them are our favorite.
Go for it.
Uh,
So many favorites.
so many
to
favorites.
pick
I mean,
from.
which one? Okay, I'll go with this.
Oh, very
Because-
nice. Very nice.
Now, since you're all asking
Very
me where the destination is, so it is around this color only. Yes, go with me. Go.
So this
This is a set of
4.
4.
Very cute, and we have this in 2 colors. We have turquoise, and we also have a really pretty.
Actually, I was going to
and
wear this
plain.
only.
Yeah, I thought you.
But then I wanted to wear the key to my heart, so a lot of people can relate to me.
So we have this in white as well. Once it untangles, we'll show you.
I don't know what
We
I
have this as well. This is a really cute oceany one. We also have like this. I feel is one of the most unique neck pieces. The love link. It's really cute. It's 2-sided. One side has charms and one side is gold. And coming to this one. Yay! So this is in 2 colors, white and turquoise, set of 4. As we said, we really price things very well because it's our birthday month. We also wanted to treat you all, so please shop.
Greece तो नहीं जा रही मैं. Thank you, but keep coming with the name.
Greece.
And we have this which I'm wearing. It's called Key to My Heart. Like I said, our names are very customized and personalized, so you will love it. So this is
Very cute.
very cute.
We also have this. These are really unique ones. Look at all this. Look at this bow. It's super cute. So it's a mix of beads and charms and gold. The best of all the worlds. Be free to all the free-spirited people out there. We have this one for you, Aditi. This one's for you. Did she leave us? This one is super cute, very corally and very pretty charms. We also have all of these in anti-tarnish. So if you all are wearing it to the beach, out or sweating profusely, I'm one of the sweaters here. You can feel free to wear it.
Is we
without any
committed?
issue.
Someone is asking.
Okay, later. Now, this one.
She doesn't want to disclose.
This one's very, very cute. See?
How to get a special
It's
note?
2-in-1.
You have to order and
Yes.
we will give you a special note.
Yes.
It's
yes.
all ready, all waiting for you just to order and you will get it.
This is cute and simple and pretty. We have simpler ones
For
as
all
well
the
for you all.
eagle eye and
Yeah,
little
for all the
traditional.
people who've asked us for like a evil eye and a sort of a boho collection, this is one of it. It's really, really nice, these charms.
This is Cinderella if you guys love it.
Hey, I love this
Like this
one.
is so pretty, so pretty.
See this cute? Doesn't it look like Tay? Doesn't it look like Tay? It's a cute one.
Cutie.
Who is brand owner? Halud is sitting in front of you.
We are both co-founders.
So, which is your favorite from all? Oh, I really love this one. I want to show you this one as well.
Yeah.
I really love the charms. It's really, really pretty.
Okay guys, everyone was asking for a KYY reunion. Chris Hannah and I, we did it last time. Now everyone's got so busy in their personal life also, in their work life also. So it's a little difficult to get everyone together. And sometimes I get tired of bringing everyone together. So now someone
You're
has
bringing
planned.
Fair.
Ask the other people
How
from
to
KYY.
order? Yeah, sure. You can order on 9892198537. I finally got it after 2 months. After 2 months.
I
of the
only know my
business.
mother and father's number by heart. I can't. I try so hard to remember numbers. Numbers. You show the proper.
What outfit are you gonna wear on your birthday? Can you tell them the color?
Okay, so
Just
my
color.
theme of my birthday is the golden era.
Oh.
Yeah, I have a theme. So
Ye Ravi. Hi, Ravi ji.
Ravi ji, thank you so much for ordering so many things and the Lokhandwala trip and everything. We are doing COD, guys. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
she's coming in a minute. You guys are stuck with me. You're gonna get products from me, one for myself, one gift for you and me. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. That is so sweet.
Who's that, Niksha?
I don't know who that was. I can't read. Sorry guys, I'm deaf with one left ear. And how many tattoos do I have? I counted it yesterday. I have 5 tattoos. Can we get some interview or podcast of you, Niti? It's been so long. I'm coming live. और क्या चाहिए? Podcast में क्या पूछूं? Ask me the questions, I'll answer here. Customization is not available. We've just begun. If you know someone, I need to customize some things. Please let me know. No, there is a WhatsApp number where you have to WhatsApp us and we can send you a PDF and you can order everything that you want to do. Do you Neeti birthday plans? Going out with my girlfriends? It's gonna be fun.
All except one.
Am I wearing my last year birthday outfit? Every year is a new year. Last year what I wore? Oh, I was a Maldives. I think today's reel, whoever's written monotonous reels, I think this reel that I dropped today is different. I hope you enjoy it. And I still shoot reels and do things even when I'm in 104 fever and stuff like that. Just so that I'm available and you guys can see me and I'm visible. I think I do my best.
You do your best.
So rather than criticizing, sometimes just appreciate people. Be kind, the world needs kind people. There are too many rude ones around. What? We sell convertible necklace. Very nice, thanks. You can shop from us, but yours weekly. We sell cute necklaces. Yeah, today's reel is pretty cool. Thank you. Piyash. Were you the one who was just trolling me? Are you living with your family? No, I live alone here. Okay, when will you come back on screen? When I get a good opportunity. When I'm getting something, then I'm always sick. Hi! Please take orders on WhatsApp. I don't know. You're amazing. Thank you. What more drop for today? She's just getting there to showing you more. So we're expanding. We're not just doing this much. We're doing more because we're getting a lot of inquiries about a lot of things. You know, just having one side conversation feels so weird. Firstly, because I'm deaf and my voice echoes. And it's so irritating. I'm doing this for you hard.
Okay. Thank you, Kanji.
Birthday plans. Bola to I'm going out with my girlfriend somewhere.
And now,
like I said, we have for all the teenagers, for all the ones who are a little older, who are our age. Now, we have few things. Vinti, go for it. Roll brown.
okay. So, as you guys have requested for like rings, for bracelets, and we've adhered to all your requests, we've got so many requests for opening our line of kids collection too, and we've got orders as well for the same. So firstly, thank you so much for your orders, and we want to show you our kids collection. It's super cute. It's few products as of now, but you guys order them and we'll get more.
I just wish my Zaira was a little younger. I would have got her all of this. This is so cute. These are the hairbands.
Then we have these. We have like these clips. They're super cute. Unicorn clips. For girls, you can give them. Oh, it actually looks cute. Take it for your birthday. And we have really unique collection like Tic Tacs like this with drops. See, you can see the hard drops. It's so cute.
It's very cute. I don't think I have seen these.
Yeah, these are really, we really sourced a lot to get you all the best of everything.
Yeah, we source from different countries,
Yes.
continents. I can't tell you from where all. Oh, we have little butterfly also. How cute. How cute. You yourself look like a kid. I know.
You can take our kids collection. You can gift her our kids collection. It's very cool. You're only enjoying it. We have this as well. It's super cute for all of those who like matte finishing.
Must. Vanti ji must.
Thanks.
Guess who's written there?
Ravi, who else?
Ravi ji, it's Vinti. Like Niti ka ni, V ka V-I.
So this is a really cute set.
I love this. It's so cute.
It's all in one. It's alright. Just the
You know, we also had the Labubu for babies.
Yes,
The
which
one
is sold out.
Which is
actually.
sold out. It is so cute and crazy, and I'm like, so sweet. Labubus.
We have these two sets for kids too. So please reach out to us if you all like the kids collection. Also, we're going to be dropping the PDF for kids collection soon in the next few days.
See, Ash, if you have better questions to ask us, we'll definitely answer. But if you just want to troll us and say mean things and put us down, I'm so sorry. We're not going to entertain that. Spread kindness. That's all we want, because the world is full of bad people and saying mean things. So let's be nice to each other. Okay? Thank you.
Unlike block. Sorry, what name spelling? It's okay, Raviji. We'll connect later. Hey, Shai!
Hi, Shai! Belated happy birthday!
Yes. Yeah, belated happy birthday, Shax, and happy birthday. I was there on your special day. It was the best time. Shax, see all our new collection. We have rings, we have bracelets, we have neck pieces, and we also have kids
Shax,
collections
please
for
buy.
girls.
Please buy.
Thank you for all the love.
Yeah. This
It's
is
the
apni
charm
karu.
necklace in the collection. Is the charm necklace? Yes, everything that we are wearing and we showed you is all part of the collection. Is all dropped in the PDF. You can start shopping now. We already have someone who is hopefully taking your order.
She is,
Yeah.
yeah.
She is, yeah. Thank you, thank you.
We have Isha and Annie with us who are a part of our team and they are amazing. So if they are talking to you guys, there are few people, customers who are very rude. Don't be rude यार, सब काम ही कर रहे हैं अपना.
So Kavya is asking, what's your favorite from our entire drop? Now that we've dropped everything, what's your favorite?
So the key to my heart is my favorite. Then I even love this. I think the teacup bracelet is just so adorable. It's so cute. I like all these cutesy things.
And rings?
Rings.
You have a
So
favorite in the
listen,
rings?
I'm telling
All
you,
the
when
rings
we
are
go
our
to
favorite.
Seoul, so when we do things, I'm just like, can I take one for me, one for me? And it's our rule. We don't take anything for us. We are going to sell everything. And then we'll ask our family members to buy something for us.
So this is my favorite. I really like this bracelet. It's really cute. I think it's the best of everything and I'm a big fan of the color pink. So this one's one of my favorites.
I even like this. Listen, our quality, our products are very premium. You will not find it anywhere. So please know that. So some of you keep asking, थोड़ा price ज़्यादा क्यों है या थोड़ा, because हम बहुत अलग-अलग continents, countries से हम source करते हैं. बहुत हिंदी बोली मैंने.
Do you have any locket charm?
Locket
Yeah.
charms.
Key we have. Locket also we should have. We have all types.
We have all. Actually, there are so many. Half a We have.
You'll find it on
You'll
the PDF
find it.
and send it to
We
us.
also have. What
Oh, I
is
love
your
this
time?
one.
This is
I
so
love
pretty.
this one. You had a free watch with it.
Yeah.
We have this actually. This is actually a good one to pick. So we have this, which is a neck piece, and we also have the same as a bracelet. So it'll be a really cool like combo for you guys to get. It's like a really nice one. We have the bracelet also somewhere
में
here.
post होता है. Like I said,
Yes.
worldwide we post. We send it. So yeah.
This is very
We have a lot of sunflowers. We have a lot of honeybees. We have a lot of
beaches.
flowers. We have a lot of shell things, pretty pearl things, beachy things. This is what our new collection is. A lot of butterflies, hearts. सब प्यार भरा because this month is full of love. And Siyansh, it's okay. Don't say sorry. It's all fine. Don't worry. I don't think you should ask a female's age. You can just Google it if you want. That's simple. I wish to order these, but I can't. I'm from Bangladesh, but we can send
Yeah, we can
Bangladesh.
send it. Y'all can also arrange for pickup. So we're
If you
happy
know
to
someone.
share. Yeah,
Yeah.
if you know someone. Else, if y'all want to, send out your own personal courier, we can give you a pickup address and you can pick it up as well from there. So we are happy to do it both ways.
And also, if you have a relative who lives somewhere, because we have so many clients who are like, okay, someone is coming, can you send it there? And we're like,
Yeah.
okay, cool. And people have also put orders on hold,
Yeah,
So
prepaid.
we have a lot of things. So don't worry.
So we just sent an order out to this place called Rotorua in Australia. And because my siblings are from there, they took it and they sent it and they'll arrange a pickup. So we are happy to, work
Oh,
with
I'm
other
also
countries
supposed to
too.
take an order, no? Oh, yes, to Texas. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, I put it there. Okay, I'll take it. Yeah. You are suffering from typhoid. I'm still recovering. It's a long process. Like I said, I have a little bad throat, deaf from 1 year because the sinus has reached my ear. So 30% done all the tests, but it takes time.
What's the pickup at?
So our base is Mumbai. It's not Delhi.
So once you reach out personally to us on WhatsApp with your final order, we'll help you with the pickup address as well for Delhi. Thank you for all your good wishes.
I'm still recovering, guys. Thank you so much for asking. Keep me in your prayers. watching season 5.
Thank you for replying to Ishar's DM yesterday. It means a lot.
Oh, you're welcome. And also, guys, we're getting so many orders. I can't tell you how excited we are. And Vinti and I are taking orders today, tomorrow. I am taking orders for actually a long time because I'm going for a holiday. So another few days, I'll be personally attending to all the messages on WhatsApp. And we both
Especially today, so you guys buy everything today. and
today,
we want to tell you-
tomorrow, day after. Today it's Vinti and I, and then the other days it's me for a few days. Then when you see me going for a trip, then just know it's not me. But then also you have to order.
Yes, please. So we also want to let you all know that we have a lot of variety, but we have limited stock per variety. So if you guys don't order in the next day, tomorrow, there might be a lot of things which might be out of stock. And because, you know, as Taylor mentioned, these are not things we've procured within India necessary. So there's no way we can, you know, get you guys another one. So please order today. It's all limited. It's just some pieces of all. So order your favorites
Now, please do order.
You're from Tamil Nadu.
We are actually we have so many orders
Yes, of course, Tamil
from
Nadu.
the south.
We just
We
said,
have,
you know,
yeah.
yesterday, today.
Yeah, we were discussing so many. So thank you for the
Actually,
love.
South has.
Don't worry, we're saving this live, guys. And also, we have another announcement. We'll join them from there. Oh, you want to do it before?
Yeah, one week.
For it?
I'll get the data now.
Huh.
Again, we are.
Again, there has been a little forgetting a lot of things. Okay, wait. Can I just change my position, please? Thank you. Ignoring what? I'm not. I can't. Chashma nahi hai, so dikhai nahi de raha. Is a new video coming with Ruhi? I have to meet Ruhi. I don't know if we're going to shoot like that, but I will try. We'll try for sure. Tomorrow is no possible, Niti ji. Yeah. Thank you.
21st.
What is the Friday? ठीक है, I'm back. So, we're back with the date. We have a new announcement to make. So, we are having a Black Friday drop, especially for you all, with our previous collection that we had. So, not all the products that we'll be putting out there for all of you. So, there'll be a special discount that will be going on. So, do not forget,
21st November is a Friday and it's where we drop the Black Friday collection, and we want you to know it's only on 21st where you can avail the crazy drop discounts that we'll be putting. Not on 20th, not on 22nd, only on 21st. From the whole day we'll be there taking all your orders. All our previous collections are going to be on a great discount. Stay tuned, save the dates, mark your calendar.
she did it better.
No. Can't wait to try.
And
Please,
you should
guys,
also
Surdeep,
ask the people
please
who
buy.
bought our products. I think they're very happy with everything. Like
good
we
point.
have not received any complaint.
Yeah.
Touch wood.
It's only been on 8th November, on Tay's birthday, we will mark 2 months of yours weekly drop. Just 2 months and so much love and so many orders. Thank you all once again.
Thank you all so much for your beautiful wishes and for so much love. I think
Yes, we can order in Haldwani. You can order anywhere, everywhere, and we will give you
Worldwide.
the order. Thank you. Please share.
We will post
feedback.
pictures,
Yes,
not
okay,
worry.
we'll do that, Shri. Yes, Ravi, give order.
okay. So let's. I think.
Please make a review highlight. Okay, yeah, these are good ideas. Thank you so much for it. We'll definitely incorporate it. Yes, you can order in Haldwani. We are happy to ship it, but please order first. COD, as we shared, Tashvi, it's only available in Mumbai and Delhi as of now. You can connect with us privately on WhatsApp and we're happy to share more details with you for the same.
Anything else?
Hello, people are coming now. Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for all the love. It's our birthday month.
Yeah.
It's very special to us. So please do order and make it even more special. And everything is so beautiful and so nice and so cute. So please do shop. Happy shopping to all of you. Lots of love and thank you for all your wonderful wishes. Just keep us in your prayers. That's all we want. Thank you so much. Lots of
Thank
love.
you. Bye. Thank you for taking out time for us today. Bye.
Bye.